we'll guide you through how to fix the issue of CapCut audio not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and ensure that you have the latest version installed. Sometimes, simply updating the software can resolve audio issues, as updates often include bug fixes related to sound. Next, go to the Settings menu within CapCut by clicking the gear icon usually located at the top right corner. Here, check if the audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure that your system speakers are selected as the output device in both CapCut and your computer's sound settings. If everything seems correct but the audio still isn't working, you might want to try re-importing the audio file. To do this, go to your media library, right-click the audio file, and select Remove from Project. Then, go and re-import the audio by clicking Import and selecting your file from your computer. Make sure that the audio format is supported by CapCut, such as MP3 or WAV. Another quick check is to ensure that the audio track is not muted. Look at the timeline and see if the speaker icon next to the audio track is not crossed out. If it is, just click it to unmute. Lastly, try exporting a small section of your project to see if the audio plays in the exported file. This can help determine if the issue is within CapCut or with the audio file itself. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.